Where are you? Sandeep
I mean,
Chaki.
yes.
Please put on your video. Tell me one thing. I have a complaint
Ah,
dated 11th of September 2024 in front of me.
yes.
What do you do?
Actually, ma'am, I'm an advocate as well as the public prosecutor senior panel, Government of West Bengal, Siliguri Court. And I
In
am
this,
lodged a written complaint on 11th September. Uh, my lord, I lodged a written complaint. The contents is genuine.
I
But
do
I,
not
due to
want
mistake,
to inquire about the genuinity of the contents, right?
okay.
Just tell me, did you prepare the complaint yourself?
Yes, yes,
Are you sure?
yes, ma'am.
You are the public prosecutor of the state of West Bengal. You are
Ah,
defending the state of West Bengal,
ah. Ma'am,
right? I will
yes,
read
right.
out the complaint.
Yes.
Do you have a copy in front of you?
Yeah,
Yeah? What does yeah mean? You are the
ma'am.
public prosecutor? This is
I
the
have,
way you address a court?
my lord, I have my written complaint original in my custody, ma'am. Original written complaint.
Do you have it in your hand, in your mobile, something in
Original.
front of you? I do not want the original. Do you have a copy?
At this moment, ma'am, uh, uh,
You do not have, your
my
advocate
own
is there,
possession
who is
is
representing you are there. You
written
have a
original
copy with
complaint
you?
in my
Please read out.
chamber, ma'am.
Please read out. Let everybody hear what is the complaint and the manner in which the police is proceeding. Right? Please read out.
I, Sandeep Chaki, son of late Sudhanshu Chaki, Public Prosecutor, Siliguri Court, Government of West Bengal, would like to lodge this FIR against above named accused person to the following effects. Since few days, I noticed one video footage became viral on.
1 minute. Is it B?
Yes, my lord, it will be became.
He is a public prosecutor. Do not smile.
My lord, maybe that
I am going to take
to
serious steps against the complainant if something comes out.
Lord,
And it will be
my
there.
instruction, my lord, the drafting was done by his junior. So
His junior? He's the complainant. He doesn't know what is there in the complaint. Whatever somebody else has drafted and signed it.
my lord, my lord.
Let me see how many inadvertent steps are over here. Right? So, first one, we'll calculate one by one. This is the first one. Became is not there.
My lord.
Right? Then go on.
Viral on social media, YouTube, some code is there where above named Sudha Sil Ghosh uploaded was
Yes, whatever.
One defamatory based video with malified.
Yes, stop. What is the spelling? Number 2 error? Number 2 error? Very well. Next.
To harass the government of West Bengal publishing the viral fake video in respect of judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India.
What is the spelling of judgment? Is it right?
He had
extra added. Number 3 mistake. Then
also made ridiculous comments. This video as well as media was made to injure the image of government of West Bengal as well as Honorable Supreme Court of India before the public in general.
Before the public in general. What does this mean? Before the public in general? And P becomes capital, G becomes capital. He is the public prosecutor of the state. Had it been any Tom, Dick and Harry, the court would have simply ignored this. But he is holding the post of the public prosecutor. Defending the state is his responsibility. Next.
This will create the breach of tranquility as well as the breach of peace in public in general.
Same mistake, public in general.
This act violated the provision of Indian Constitution and provisions of BNS.
All P's are caps, not required.
Therefore, it is humbly prayed before you that you will be pleased to take necessary action against the above named accused person, Sudha Sil Ghosh, as mentioned above, as per the provision of appropriate legal forum, and you will
right. Now, what is the allegation? That somebody has placed certain video in the channel?
Social media.
In the social media. Now, if somebody uploads something, it is not the responsibility of that person to make it viral. It goes viral. The social media, the society at large maybe forwards it to such extent that it becomes viral. What does this person have got to do with it?
That is the subject to investigation, my lord. Whether
And
he has
you have
intensely
made it in such a manner. You are the public prosecutor. Once again, I'm saying, you have done it in such a manner. You have placed it as if the offense has been established. Is it so?
maybe that the language is indicating to us what my lord has suggested. But
Does it not indicate it to you? Does it only indicate it to the court? Is it such a complaint on which the police is required to act? There are so many complaints or so many videos which goes viral, right?
that's why, my lord, police has given a notice for to the petitioner to appear so that they can investigate the matter. No power. It's not the case that police has gone and arrested the accused person. These are all bailable
You
sections.
want, these are all?
Bailable sections.
No. Not the
Just imagine.
No,
This
I
is
don't
your
have the FIR, my lord.
submission.
I don't have the copy of the FIR right now.
This is the complaint.
Complaint.
You have made it with a particular purpose. And you know what the end result will be. It's only because you are the public prosecutor, you're appearing for the state. That does not give you any right to come up with any baseless allegation against anybody. And that too, this type, is this the standard of a complaint written by a public prosecutor? The state shall take steps. He is simply not fit to be given this post. How was this person appointed? Just pick and choose? Was any examination conducted?
No. For appointment of this, there is no such.
There is no such examination. How is the state spending money upon these type of persons who are not fit to make a complaint?
That the legal remembrance is based on the.
Remembrance took the practical experience and exposure of this person.
This is the general practice.
Now this practice is required to be changed.
That is, my lord, if the LR manual speaks in this way.
Person with this merit to act as the public prosecutor. Somebody else lodges writes a complaint, prepares a complaint, and the PP signs it, and this is the designation. Had he not written his designation, it would have been different.
Yes.
He describes himself to be the public prosecutor. It is he to whom the police comes up with all types of instructions. He is defending the police.
That intent me also. Very true. That designation ought not to have.
Yes. Now, once the person
as an individual capacity.
Yes, he could have done it.
That I
the court would have ignored everything. But it is only because he is trying to make use of his designation as a public prosecutor that the police is taking steps. Is it proper?
No, madam. That is not also. I will explain, madam. That part I will explain. I'm coming after that.
But relying on this complaint, I do not think the police should have taken steps.
I will make my.
Very well. Next, Otri Sharma, where are you?
I'm there.
Yes. And what is your occupation? What do you do?
I'm a legal practitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
In Siliguri.
In Siliguri.
Yes.
Right.
District
What prompted you to lodge this complaint?
Lordship, when I saw this YouTube content, being a legal practitioner, I just thought that it is derogatory to the entire judicial system, which is last resort of common people in India, considering the scenario. So I just informed the police station. I have not written anything except that what he has stated in his video, nothing else. I have just informed. I don't know what sections are there and all. I have just informed police that this thing is on.
Tell me one thing, is this the first complaint that you have lodged before the police, or these types of videos come on regular basis? Did you ever lodge any complaint?
I have seen this and I lost this.
So this is the first complaint that you have lodged. Have you ever seen or heard the speeches given out by the political parties against the judges and the judiciary?
Yes,
Have you ever
Lordship.
heard?
I've seen.
Did you
Yes,
ever
I have.
lodge any complaint?
No, my Lordship.
When the political parties members come out in open public and they declared that they will not follow the court's order, they are not going to comply the court's order, these judges are related to political parties, they give out whatever the directions the political parties give them. Have you ever lodged any complaint against these type of political parties?
No, my Lordship.
No.
Never.
All on a sudden, you lodge a complaint against this person and he claims...
I have nothing against this person.
Are you seriously interested to proceed with your complaint?
I have just informed the authorities about
Do
this
you
sort of thing.
still intend to proceed with the complaint?
Yes, I am, my Lord.
You are still interested to proceed with the complaint?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. What exactly is troubling you?
Nothing. Being the part of this entire system, I thought this is derogatory. Nothing
What
else.
is derogatory? Will you please say? Which portion? Which portion troubled you?
He was telling that Chief Justice of India was in collusion with few political personalities and he is the worst Chief Justice ever and he should be impeached and he's hand in glove with the government and he's just ruining all the cases. He has taken up.
Did you bring this to the knowledge of the Chief Justice of India? Chief Justice of India is still holding the post. Did you bring this to the notice of the Chief Justice that this is the comment that is being played by somebody?
Not yet, my Lordship.
Not yet.
But
why don't you take steps? Bring this to the notice of the Honorable Judge.
I will take immediately, my Lordship. It was my fault, but I will initiate immediately.
Now the state. Yes.
Firstly, my Lord, before this start, may I only
yes, please.
bring
1 minute. Yes.
provisions to your Lordship's consideration. That is the provision of 215 of the BS, which clearly bars the complaint for to be registered under section 267 has to be by the court itself.
All right.
So, Lordship, kindly come to 215 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita.
Yes.
May I read this section for you? Complaint in writing of that court or by such officer of the court as that court may authorize in writing in this behalf or of some other court to which that court is subordinate. So, Lordship, there is a specific bar. If it is an insult on the judiciary or the Chief Justice of India, it is for the Honorable Chief Justice of India to register the complaint or any person authorized by him to go and register this complaint under 267. Like Lordship knows that earlier provisions of 195 of CRPC related to the defamations. Earlier, these sets used to come with the sections of defamation. Everybody and anybody used to come and usually they used to write that my leader has been insulted, that's why I have been defamed. So, Lordship, there is a series of complaints which were stayed by our court since it was in violation with the provisions of earlier 195. Lordship, where the cognizance cannot be taken by the court, then police cannot. What would be the usefulness of this registration of this particular FIR?
What is the ratio in Patricia that you are relying upon?
Yes, my lord. Patricia, Lordship, I'll be...
Is that some person is alleging that the Supreme Court or the Chief Justice is not taking proper steps in accordance with law, delaying, whatever. The court is in scene of the matter. Yeah. If anybody has any grievance that can be brought to the knowledge of the Honorable Court, why proceed with a complaint over here?
I'm answering.
Because there are, this is there, you say, or no, it is better the complainant says it is there in the public knowledge, in the public domain. Today, a complaint is registered at A place, tomorrow at B place, then C, D, and it will continue throughout this country.
I will answer this.
Right. Does it make any sense? First. Second, suppose anybody, I, you, he, whoever, just says that such and such person is not doing his work properly. Does it make any difference to that person? It simply doesn't. The Chief Justice is not bothered about what is being stated about him. It is a position of authority. The court is acting in accordance with law. Why will the police bother himself or themselves with these frivolous complaints and trouble these people?
My lord, I will answer, my lord. First, your lordships, the query, when suppose now someone is not performing his or her constitutional obligation or what is the duties casted on him or her. First, my lord, the Suddhasil Ghosh, he made this is the statements of news channel he published.
What is the credibility of this news channel?
Just a second, my lord. Then he ought to have, without delivering this in the social media as in the news channel, he ought to have approached the Honorable Supreme Court. This is number one. Number two, my lord, I kindly appreciate, my lord, when we are the, my lord, in the judicial system, my lord, in the administrative procedure, my lord, if someone makes any derogatory statement, which, my lord, I feel being insulted, personally.
What
has been seen within the entire state of West Bengal? What happened, Lord?
What? Is it because of this video? Please,
I'm
sorry.
Lord, this is
accept.
one of the video.
I do not accept.
This is, Milord, your lordship may differ, but kindly see in this news channel.
Yes.
10 lakhs members are the members and viewers. It has not been circulated by others. He circulated. His viewers 10 lakhs as of now.
That is his credibility.
Very good, my lord. The credibility, I have a right, a constructive demonstration. I don't have a right of a destructive demonstration, my lord.
Please.
It was just, from today, by 1 o'clock, you have lots of
half the list is exhausted.
60, 70
yes.
matters. Today we are late. One day we take a some
I'll pass order in the chamber.
Lord,
finish. Let me see what
I hand over.
Please.
Order.
Sorry, this travel, which is also, my lord, traveling to me.
Which are the paragraphs that you referred?